Good afternoon, student. Today our topic is the variation of G with depth. Okay. Now we will discuss about the variation of G with altitudes. So, variation of G with depth. Earth is considered to be a sphere of mass m, radius is r. Okay. Initially the body is here, having mass m. So m, mass of the body, capital M, mass of the earth, and r, radius r. Okay. Now the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth g m by r square. Already discussed in the previous class. Since earth is considered a sphere having the density rho, okay, then total mass m is equal to 4/3 pi r cube rho. Okay, this is the density rho. So mass is expressed m is equal to 4/3 pi r cube rho. The equation became now g equal to capital G 4/3 pi r cube rho by r square. Now cancel the factor r square in numerator and denominator, but 1/3 pi g rho r. Equation 1. Okay. Now when the body taken to a depth d, here now radius became r minus d. At this point the force of attraction is due to this radius r minus d and the mass m dash. So at point B to a depth D, okay. D equal to G m dash by I minus D whole square. This is now radius from center to B, okay. And the mass is m dash. Now replace this mass in terms of density 4/3 pi r cube rho by r minus d whole square. Let's let this factor become now g d equal to 4/3 pi d r minus d rho. Equation 2. Now dividing equations 2 by 1. dd by g 4/3 pi g I minus d rho. It is 4/3 pi g r rho. Consider all these factors. The equation become r minus d by r. Now dd by g equal to dividing with r 1 minus d by r. Or dd equal to r g into 1 minus d by r. Okay. From this equation, it is clear that the acceleration due to gravity decreases when taken to a depth d. Okay. Simplify these equations. This became G minus GD equal to GD by R. If you want to calculate the percent of decreasing the value of G with that, now G minus GD by G equal to V by R, and after multiplying 100 both sides, this is the percent of decreasing the value of G. And computing our escape velocities. You will throw a body in upward directions to a certain height. After some time, it will fall back. If the body attains a sufficient velocity, it will escape from the gravitational pull of the earth. That minimum velocity is called as your escape velocity. So how will you define the escape velocity? The minimum velocity with which when the body projected vertical upward, it will escape from the gravitational pull of the earth. That minimum velocity is called as your escape velocity. Now consider a body, mainly of satellites of mass and at a distance x, initial at a distance x from the center O. So at this point P, find the force of attractions between the earth and the body, m, small m that is. Okay. Here F is equal to G m by x square. Okay. Now shift the body to a distance dx from P to Q. So what is the work done here? Is shifting the body in upward direction from P to Q. This is the work done against the force of gravity. Clear? So dw is the small work done. In moving the body from P to Q to a distance dx. Okay, already shown in the figure, this one. And this work done is against the force of gravity. Here W equal to F dx. F is equal to your G m by x square dx. Now, what is total work done? On moving the body upward directions from R to infinity, from the surface of R to infinity distance. Okay. So, total work done from this point to infinity. It means x equal to R to x equal to infinity. Okay. Integrating the work done equations now. dw G m R to infinity, that is 1 by x square dx. After integrating this one, G m minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 W G m x minus 1 to minus 1 R to infinity. Okay. This is the method of integrations. You have to solve in this way. It is your minus G m 1 by x R to infinity. Putting upper limit minus lower limit here. Okay. The equation became one by infinity minus 1 by R. So W is equal to G m by R. Okay. In order to escape from the gravitational pull of the earth, from the surface of the earth, the kinetic energy of the body must be greater than equal to this work done. Okay. So kinetic energy must be greater than equal to work done. In order to escape from the gravitational pull of the earth. That is half m mass of the body with the velocity. Right, it is stand for escape velocity dE greater than equal to your dm m by r. Cancel this factor and equalize this below 2 dm by r. Then b equal to 2 dm by r. This is one of the equation of stability. We know the mass of the earth, the value of g and r, we will calculate easily. But you know that g is equal to dm by r square, so gr equal to dm by r. We will modify these equations now. G equal to 2gr. Put in the value 9.8, 6.4, 10⁻⁶ centimeter per meter square millimeter. And count to this is 11.2 10⁻³ meter per second and 11.2 kilometer per second. Practically, the stability is more than this value. Okay, calculated value. The stability not depend upon the mass of the body. It depend upon the small g, the radius of the earth. Also depend upon the mass of the earth. Okay.